Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You're signed in and ready. First, check that sync completed so deletions update across devices. Now open the folder containing the messages you want to remove. Click a single message to delete just that one, or hold Ctrl to pick non-adjacent items and Shift to select Arrange, then press Delete. If you prefer keyboard speed, use the Delete key after selecting. Once done, move to the Deleted Items folder to finalize cleanup or recover if you change your mind. Once messages land in deleted items, review them quickly. This is your safety net. To permanently remove everything, click Empty Folder or choose Purge for selected emails. Outlook may ask to confirm, accept to proceed. If you want automated control, set retention policies or use Sweep to keep only recent mail and delete older items. Make sure to check any archive folders and shared mailboxes because they won't always follow your personal deleted items cleanup unless you repeat the process. To finish, empty deleted items and then clear the recoverable items, recover deleted items, if you need true permanent deletion from the server. Once done, sign into Outlook Web to confirm the mailbox mirrors the change. Make sure sync completes. If you don't see deletions, check sync status, storage quota, and any active view filters that hide messages. For stuck mail, restart Outlook, reconnect the account, or run the mailbox cleanup tool. These steps fix common sync and visibility issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.